Prime Minister Boris Johnson today announced that DIOSynVax, a biotech spin-out of the University of Cambridge, will receive $42 million to develop a vaccine candidate that could provide protection against both existing and future variants of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, as well as other major coronaviruses, including those that cause SARS and MERS. The investment from the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations will support the development of an mRNA vaccine. DIOSynVax, led by Professor Jonathan Heeney, head of the Laboratory of Viral Zoonoses, University of Cambridge, will design and select the lead antigen through proof-of-concept preclinical studies and undertake initial clinical development through phase I/II studies. DIOSynVax uses the combination of protein structure, computational biology, and immune optimization to maximize the protection that vaccines can provide against global threats, including existing and future virus outbreaks. Its vaccine candidates can be deployed in a variety of vaccine delivery and manufacturing platforms. The DIOSynVax pipeline includes vaccine candidates for hemorrhagic fever viruses, influenza, and SARS-CoV-2, the latter of which is currently in clinical trials. If DIOSynVax's novel antigen design is successfully deployed using the intended mRNA platform, it could potentially be used to enable rapid development of vaccines against so-called disease X unknown pathogens with pandemic potential that have yet to emerge. Professor Jonathan Heeney, Cambridge, said, "We are excited to be working with CEPI on its groundbreaking mission to leverage revolutionary science and technology to outmaneuver and minimize future pandemic threats. Our approach is to be ahead of the next pandemic to deliver custom-designed, immune-selected vaccine antigens, which is ideal to prevent diseases caused by complex viruses, such as the large and diverse family of coronaviruses. If successful, it will result in a safe, affordable next-gen vaccine for widespread use." CEPI, DIOSynVax and the University of Cambridge are committed to enabling global equitable access to the vaccines developed through this partnership. Under the terms of the funding agreement, DIOSynVax has committed to achieving equitable access to the outputs of this project. The UK government and the country's world-leading scientific institutions have been pivotal to the global response to COVID-19. From the development of the CEPI-supported Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine, which is used in more countries than any other, to the groundbreaking recovery trial to evaluate life-saving treatments like dexamethasone, British science has played a leading role in protecting the world from COVID-19. I am excited to further strengthen CEPI's strong ties to British science through this partnership with DIOSynVax, Cambridge, to develop a vaccine with the potential to protect against variants of SARS-CoV-2 and other beta coronaviruses in the future. Coronaviruses have now proven their pandemic potential, so it's imperative for global health security that we invest in R&D now to future-proof the world against the threat of coronaviruses. Dr. Richard Hatchett, CEO of CEPI. The announcement was made today at the Global Pandemic Preparedness Summit, which brings together a unique mix of leaders across governments, international agencies, science and academia, industry, philanthropy, and civil society to explore how to collectively prepare for future viral threats and mobilize critical resources and political support for CEPI's work. DIOSynVax is a spin-out company from the University of Cambridge, set up in 2017 with the support of Cambridge Enterprise, the university's commercialization arm. Professor Heeney is a fellow at Darwin College, Cambridge.